Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Set a specific study time block of 50 to 90 minutes and stick to it. Begin each day by writing one clear goal for each session, defined as a task you can finish in that block, which turns vague intentions into measurable achievements. Collect materials and remove distractions before you start so the session begins immediately. Schedule short breaks of 10 to 15 minutes between blocks to reset focus, walk, hydrate, and avoid cognitive fatigue. Review the next session's goal during the break to maintain momentum across the day. Designate a single study area free of screens and clutter and treat it like a work zone you only use for studying. Keep your phone in another room, on Do Not Disturb, and use a 25-minute timer for focused work to reduce temptation and train attention. Use ergonomic seating and a desk height that keeps your forearms parallel to the floor to prevent discomfort that breaks concentration. Add a small lamp, a water bottle, and required materials so you never need to leave mid-session and break flow. Use active recall and spaced repetition. Review after 24 hours and then every 3 days to move knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. Convert notes into questions and teach them aloud for deeper retention, explaining concepts as if instructing someone else. Limit passive rereading. Instead, practice retrieval with flashcards or practice problems and time yourself to simulate testing conditions. Track progress weekly. Adjust study intervals based on recall success. And
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.